mango too. That's good. That's really good too. Potato fries. Let's see fries. Oh my God. I don't want this. No, this. I don't eat it like that. Huh? Not like that. I like regular fry pan. Try it. Alright, let's try this. I would have. This is so good. Oh my God. You got some good cooked here. My brother having coconut strip. Alright, we're gonna try to drink. Hold on. Hold on. 10:35. I think they closed at 11. Yeah, we should have came here earlier for real. Came back today.
No, because when you said an hour and a half, I'm like, I'm not going.
I read it wrong.
I'm like,
hour and a half.
that is too far. That's
Hour and 45.
That's 3 hours drive.
Hour and 37 minutes. Hour and 47 minutes by walking. I read that shit wrong. I'm only 15 minutes away from the hotel. I feel woozy already.
Come on.
Yeah. Kimberly. You be think I be playing. Yardi Cosmo, a twist on the classic Cosmopolitan meets Jamrock, aka Yard, in a refreshing mix of rum, orange liquor, and ocean spray cranberry juice. This thing made me sleepy. I have a to-go bag because I'm not going to throw it away. Yeah.
So I'm gonna go back by the bar.
You see, I wrote the note that said, "Don't forget Aki," because I was not playing. I would leave it. I would be so pissed if I did. So I have to write a note. I think I want to go back. You know, I eat a full of this.
You want to go back?
I'm full. I'm not trying to throw it away. I'm trying to do some. But this right? This little Dutchie cute, right? Isn't it? I've been seeing YouTubers do that. I'm like, where are they at? I'm drinking all of it. I don't care. to make you proud. Nah, this shit tastes so freaking good. This is the best shrimp I've ever had. Ever in my life. I don't know what sauce they have, but he got some good cook back there. Coconut curry. It definitely tastes a coconut in there. But something I just can't say what it is. I never had curry shrimp before too. Have I? I don't think I have.
If you ever had one.
Curry shrimp. I mean coconut curry shrimp. Yeah, he got some good cooks in here. He hired the right people, right? Your food tastes good too. The fries.
Hired the best of the best.
The best of the best. Facts. The fries taste good. Look, the fries is fresh. You don't get used fries. I recommend this place. I recommend this place.
You recommend this place?
Yeah.
Sure.
The food tastes good for real.
Yes?
Yes.
No, so that's good to know.
Yeah,
No, my yes, definitely.
I'm full. Why? So why you not? Why not? Seriously? Big restaurant that's not on the box. Oh god, I'm gonna have to push myself because I'm not doing so.
I seen him with boxes somewhere.
You better come back here with a box.
Look at
I think.
you bring one.
Well, you never run with me.
You okay?
Yeah. Thank you. Thanks. Good. Yeah, no, it's damn, these men. Let me stop. I am single. Damn, you didn't get me for the soup. I don't want this to back bread.
You want to take the soup too? I'm going to eat it?
Yes, I'm gonna eat it. It's red pea soup, girl. You know Jamaican love red pea soup. You never had it? It's not about food and soup. Oh, there's beef in there. Oh, look at the beef. That's good. I'm gonna finish it up. Can I put the sauce on the fries? Is that the ketchup? Okay, I'm gonna put the sauce on the fries. No, this sauce is busting though. I'm not gonna put a lot. I don't want it to be soaked up on there.
Put the rest over here.
Oh yeah.
You can't waste that sauce.
You can't waste that sauce. Facts. Yo. I'm gonna go on Google. What was this to go on? Google. I recommend and put 5 stars. Yeah. That's what they give me. Oh, the fuck is that? I didn't even see that. I guess I was too hungry. This soup is good. People say, you won't eat that? She don't know. You don't know we love this. Alright, I'm done. I'm not paying. The legend. Oh shit. Yeah, an elevator. This is nice. Look at the boss. Some shoes. Empty. We the only one in here. My button. Thank you. We leave tomorrow. Yeah, that's why we have to come. Come on, damn right. No, like them glasses, more shot glass. Napkin. Your lipstick. Who's that?
Tequila?
What kind of thing?
It's not just tequila with
What's this thing? First of all, it's a different color. How the hell I pour it down before you? What are you doing? Are you serious right now? Wow. You know, last night here, so we having
I don't think
three.
I could drink when I go home. I won't be able to drink for a while.
Really? Surprisingly. Yeah, so we doing 3 shots back to back. She's not even finished.
Oh, God.
She's not even finished. Come on. Ready for the next one. She's slow tonight. I don't know what's wrong with her.
I don't know. I don't know why I can't take it.
Just throw it back.
And I had a margarita, too.
That is not a shot. That's not a shot. I'm gonna drink it. Alright. This is the last one. This is too much to drink. That. Y'all don't know.
I don't know why.
Drink the damn thing. Just a little drink in there. Why you still having it sitting in the cup?
I don't know. I'm just thinking about how sick I was that
Because he gave you Ray and everything. Ray ain't
Ray
there.
and Effie shots and gin and tonic. Gin and tonic back to back to back.
But tonight. You trying to finish it? I'm sleeping.
But not with another.
It's strong. It is strong. What does that smell? No. I just ate it.
It's the vodka.
No, it's like a sour smell, like probably the beach or something. Sour. Or fishy. We're at the bar because we're leaving tomorrow. We don't want to go to cold ass New York. Oh man. I wonder what's the weather. What's the weather right now? Check it. 32 degrees though. What's the weather here? I don't even know. I never checked it, you know. You checked it before? I never checked it. Oh, 75.
So that's it right now.
Yeah, it is a little cold because I got my jacket on. She ain't cold, but I am because I'm anemic. Y'all know that.
Look at next week.
Oh my god. I'm not having no more shot. I'm done. Not doing it. Change my mind. I changed my mind. I got skilly bang bang. Okay, there was this girl in the bus. She was asking the tour lady a lot of questions. She was like, where he live at? Where he live? She was like, where Popcorn live? Where that's not I'm living. She asked everybody.
Because they were like 24, that's why.
And I think one of their parents is from here, but I guess she don't really know. She asked me where everybody live.
Y'all got colleges here?
Yeah, that too. She asked. She's like, yes.
It's college free.
Oh my god.
So it's a zip line.
Whew.
That's another story.
Listen, she was scared. You should have. Kimberly was. She almost cried. I was dying. I was cracking up. I was laughing at her. Her face when she spin around. Like, I wish I had that on camera. And she saw her face.
We didn't take no pictures.
No, they take pictures, but we didn't buy
She
it.
took some pictures of us in the car.
You Yes, she was
I had a bad experience.
Listen, she was so. The instructor was like, I think she's crying. But me, the last one, I was petrified. I was like, oh hell no, I'm not going. My man was just swaying out of nowhere. I got terrified out of nowhere for the last one. It was three of them. The first two was just like smooth, but the third one, I was like, oh my gosh. Kimberly was like, where you was at? You was behind me.
She was behind me all the time.
I let like two other people go before me before I went. But I'm like,
The only way off was to go through with it.
I know. I couldn't turn back. I had to. I was like, shit, I'm just get a show over with. And I'm like, cause I'm like, my hand is sweating. And I'm like, what if we slip? And he was like, it don't matter if you slip, cause this have you right. I'm like, no, I don't like that. I don't like that. Cause I was nervous and scared. And he was like, cause I kept looking down. That's why you was about to cry, cause you kept looking down.
Huh?
That's why you was about to cry, cause you kept looking
No,
down.
because I was spinning and I thought I was going to crash into the tree.
Yo. I have your face in my head right now. How you was? I'm mad I don't have that on camera. Your husband would have laughed at you. Mister, can we dance? Can we dance now? Oh, see me, yeah, what are you doing? What are you doing? I was, Come on, Kimberly, dance.
She don't Jamaican, I can't dance.
I can't. We can't whine, but we can't dance. Whining is better than dancing. As long as you can whine. You can say it on my blog. You can say it out loud. You shouldn't want to Jamaican that can't dance. That's true, I can't dance for sure. I can whine, but I can't dance. I don't care. Whatever. How you do it? Man, show the face.
Don't make me spit out my drink.
Ooh! Stop. Candle. You still didn't give me that one.